Some TikTok accounts are getting millions of views overnight, while others are completely stuck at 200 views. Same app, same country, same effort. So what's actually going on? In this video, I'll break down how the TikTok algorithm really works in 2026, why TikTok pushes some accounts and kills others, and what you need to start doing today if you want consistent views. Most people think TikTok pushes videos based on followers or likes. That's wrong. TikTok only cares about one thing first: how long people watch your video. If people don't watch, TikTok doesn't push. When you post a video, TikTok first shows it to a small test audience. If people watch most of the video, re-watch it, or stay till the end, TikTok pushes it to more people. This is why some accounts go viral with 300 followers, while big accounts flop. Key metrics: TikTok loves, watch time, completion rate, replays, saves. Now here's why TikTok kills some accounts. Weak first 2 seconds. If your video doesn't hook instantly, people scroll. Reused or low-effort content, screen recordings, watermarks, reposts, TikTok can detect them. Posting without a niche. One day comedy, next day tech, next day motivation. TikTok gets confused. Too many dead videos. If most of your videos die early, TikTok slows distribution. If you want TikTok to push your account, do these 5 things. 1. Hook viewers in the first 2 seconds. 2. Keep videos short but engaging, 7 to 30 seconds. 3. Post in one clear niche. 4. Use simple captions that spark curiosity. 5. Post consistently, not randomly. TikTok doesn't hate you, it just follows data. If this video helped you understand TikTok better, like and subscribe. And if you want more honest TikTok growth videos, comment TikTok below.